This is a 2 stock for Elements Yagi going to Davao del Norte for Mr. Jason Ladaran. So let's check the antenna configuration. So we have the antenna mounting at the back of the Yagi. We have the feed point connected to the gamma match. The position of the tuning stub is on top of the gamma match. So I'm going to put numbers on each element and accordingly on each element and on the boom, so that you just need to put back the elements with their corresponding numbers on the boom. So let's check the other side. We have the same configuration. We have the feed point. The tuning stub is on top of the driven elements and the gamma match. On top of the gamma match and connected to the driven elements. So you just need to put back the same position of the tuning stub for this antenna configuration. So let's check the frequency response of this antenna. This is now connected to the pacing harness going to the T connector. Same with the other side. We have the pacing harness going to the T connector. The output of the T connector is connected to the RG8 coaxial cable, which is now connected to my antenna analyzer. So let's check the frequency response of this antenna on the from 140 to 150 megahertz. So at 140 it's 1.7, 141 is 1.7, 142 is 1.6, 143 is 1.3, 144 is 1.09 or 1.1, 145 is 1.1, 146 is 1.2, 147 is 1.3, and 148 is also 1.3. So let's check the frequency curve. Let's adjust the scanning frequency. So let's move this to 150. So we have 150 at the upper band, and let's move the scanning frequency on the lower band to 140. So we have the frequency response or the frequency curve of the antenna. So let's check the exact center frequency by moving the cursor at the top and adjusting the dial. So as we can see, we have the exact center frequency at 144.6 megahertz going to 146. 145.6 is 1.1. 147.6 is 1.3, and 148 is 1.3 as well. Going down to 142, 143.6 is 1.1, 142 is 1.4, and 141 is 1.7. So let's check the antenna return loss or antenna return coefficient, or the S11 curve. So as we can see, we have minus 33.36 dB antenna return coefficient, antenna return loss. Reactance is minus 2.181 ohms, and impedance is 49.54 at 144.6. So let's move to 145, it's 1.1. 146 is 1.1 as 1.2, and 147 is 1.28 or 1.3. 148 is 1.3 as well. So this antenna is properly working and it's ready for shipping, going to Davao del Norte for Mr. Jason. So until next time, I hope you enjoyed the tuning video. Thank you for watching.